To see how I slayed my sister for her adult prom, keep watching.
Never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Yeah.
Okay, so I had her to clean her face with a cleansing foam just so I won't be applying the makeup onto dirty skin. For a primer, I'm using Baby Skin by Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser. So while doing her eyebrows, unfortunately I was at a bad angle. The camera was at a bad angle, so I couldn't really get it. So I kind of just edited most of those parts out. But for her eyebrow filling, I used my e.l.f. pencil in dark brown. So for her eyeshadow, for her transition color, I just went in with like this light tan brown, and then I went in with a burgundy, and then to cut the crease, well no, not to cut the crease, in her crease I put a black, and then I just put my Tarte Shape Tape all over her eyelid, and I covered that with my MAC paint pot in the color Cachet, and then I went back over that with another light like tan color just to give it that, it had a little glitter sparkle in it to give it that like glitter white effect, and that's really about it. And I used two eyeshadow palettes for her eyes, and both of the palettes are from Amazon. I will put the link below. They're very cheap and affordable palettes, but I will put the links below in the description. And for her eyeliner, I used my favorite eyeliner by Kat Von D in the color Trooper. And y'all know for mascara, I just use just regular mascara that I have. And if I'm not mistaken, we bought our lashes from Walmart. And right here, I'm going in with my LA Girl color corrector in the color orange, just to cover, she had a couple acne scars and discoloration, and I'm just putting it all over her face. And now I'm just blending it out. So for our foundation, I mixed two foundations because we were traveling, and this is literally all that I had in my makeup box. So I mixed these two to get the right color for our complexion. I'm using CoverGirl True Blend Matte Foundation in the color D90, and I'm using Maybelline Super Stay in the color 362, which is Truffle. And I just mixed those together, and it gave me the right color for her complexion. So for her highlight, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. goes to set her face, I'm using my translucent powder by Hard Candy. And this is another affordable product that I purchased from Walmart. And to contour her face, I'm using my Conceal and Define by Makeup Revolution. And this is in the color C18. And for blush, I'm using my blush by MAC in the color Stubborn. And this is super old. I don't even know if they still sell it. But yeah. And for her highlight, I'm using my Get Gorgeous by Technique in the color 24 Karat Gold. For lipstick, she is wearing L'Oreal Paris in the color 405, and it's called Don't Matter. And I set her brows with e.l.f. eyebrow gel. Then I set her face with MAC Fix It Plus. And this is the finished look, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share, and let me know if you guys liked it.
I got melanin. Oh yeah.